With each single coin that you click on, money will be added into your account, and before you know it, you will grow your balance and you should be able to withdraw a significant amount of cash, something a little bit out of the ordinary, in order to start earning free Bitcoin. If you enjoy playing video games, this video is perfect for you, and you will understand why that is in just a bit. Now, most importantly, this method that I'm about to teach you today is available worldwide and no initial investment is needed. So if you have $0 in your bank account, you don't even have a penny, you are good to go and you can start making some real profits. A little bit of patience will be needed in order to make this work, so if you think you have that, we are good to move on and we can jump right into it. The website we're mainly going to use today is called rollercoin.com, and we're going to use it in order to earn free Bitcoin. But you can use this website in order to do a few other things as well. I'm going in depth about that in just a bit. But for now, I want you guys to simply sign up by clicking on the menu here, and you should be able to see this section that is called sign up. You simply have to enter in an email address and a password, but make sure that the email address you enter is valid and you actually have access to it, because they are going to send you a validation link, and unless you click on that, you cannot use the website. Now, once you have logged into your account, you should be able to create your character. So let's say you can enter a name here. You can also choose your avatar. You can click on random name or random avatar, and they are going to pick one for you. You can also customize it. So you have quite a few different options here. I think we'll go for this one, and once you have one that you like, you can simply click on save my profile, and this is going to log you into your account. This is how your dashboard is going to look like. You should be able to see your network power, which is in real time, and also the fact that your power right now is at 0 if you have just signed up. And that is the most important thing here. You need to increase that in order to start mining efficiently. And there are quite a few different ways that you can do so. The first way you can do so is by going over to the game section here on top of the page and simply selecting one of these. I'm going to go for the first one now, just to illustrate my point. And once you click on start, all you have to do is cash the coins as they fall. So it is really easy to do. The pace will increase as the game goes along, but eventually you will win this game and you will have power added to your balance. And that is tremendously important here, guys, because that is how you're going to mine Bitcoin. So as you can see, nothing out of the ordinary, nothing that a 10-year-old couldn't do. And eventually, once you're done with that, the power will be added into your balance. I'm going to show you an efficient way that you can turn that into actual currency. And the game stops as soon as you reach 600 points. So once you're here, all you have to do is either restart if you want to earn more, or click on gain power. And the power has been added to my balance. My new hash rate is now 600 gigahertz per second. I think that is what this stands for. And you can go home and start mining. But I'm going to repeat the game a few times in order to have more power and show you what I can do with that. And as you could see, that is not the only thing we can do on the website. We also have these other games. Let's actually try one more and see how we do. Another thing that is significant here is that the power that you gain by playing these games will be valid for only 24 hours. So you would have to use that within the same day in order to start mining Bitcoin for it to be still available. Otherwise, you will waste that and you will be wasting your time. Now, moving back to our dashboard here, you can see that my power has increased. I'm going to also refresh the page so that you can see that is legit. Just by playing 2 games, I've gained about 1,300. And I can start mining now. But as you can see here on the left hand side, there are a few different cryptocurrencies that you can mine. Now, Bitcoin is on the rise. It has skyrocketed during the past month. So I believe that this is the perfect moment to start earning Bitcoin. But that is not mandatory. You can also start earning Ethereum, so that choice is yours. But now, once you have that power into your balance, what you need to do is click on this arrow here, and that is going to show you a few different options that you have. You can also split the power. So let's say you want to earn Ethereum instead of Bitcoin. You can click on split power, and that is going to allow you to do so. You can increase the power here on Ethereum as much as you'd like to, and then save the changes. But for now, I'm going to concentrate 100% on Bitcoin. But the thing here, guys, is that it is not enough to keep that power in your balance, and instead you want to earn as much as possible, and then go over to the shop section here that you can go to by clicking on the cart icon, and you should be able to see that you have a few different miners. Basically, you would be spending a certain amount of virtual money, so power that you have earned playing games, for purchasing one of these miners, and that is how you're going to convert those points into Bitcoin. Now, some of them are more efficient than others, but the main takeaway here is that the way this is done correctly is by playing these video games, collecting that power credits, and then going back to the shop cart and spending it on miners. Now, another significant feature of this website is that it is fairly new. So it's been around since 2018. It is a secure website, so there's no issue about their legitimacy. But the fact that it is fairly new means that the developers are still working on it, and even more things are to come in the following period. And you can notice here that they have some other games in mind that they are testing now, and they will launch those as well. So you have more options, especially if you're willing to trade your time for money, because basically that is what you're going to do on this website. The more time you spend playing these video games, the more money you're going to earn implicitly. But guys, playing video games is not the only way that you can earn money on this website. And in fact, there is another way that might be a little bit more efficient if you implement it correctly. If you go over to the menu section here in the top corner on the right hand side, you should be able to see this section that is called referral program. So let's click on that and see where this sends us. If you go over to the promo material, you can see that they give you the HTML code for some different banners. But that is only useful if you're running a website or something like that. Unless you do, this is not what we're interested in. And in that case, I want you guys to go over to the info section here on the left hand side, and you should be able to see this link. Copy that into your clipboard, and that is your affiliate link. And that link alone will give you 25% whenever one of your referrals makes a profit. And also you will get 15% from all in-game purchases. If one of the people you refer to this website actually decides to invest some money into it, you will also get 15% of their investment. That is zero effort that you put into it. That is passive income that will come to you regardless of whether or not you're actively involved in the process. You don't have to do anything really in order to earn that money. And that may not seem like a lot at first, but it's all a numbers game. So if you can implement a strategy that will get you a lot of traffic to your link, well, in that case, you will be making some significant amounts of money. And the easiest way that you can do that is by simply doing a tutorial of this page. So more precisely, you can record a video that is very similar to the one I'm doing right now. Just go through the website's features, record your screen while doing so. You don't even need to have a very high-tech microphone. You can use the one that is built into your computer. And that should do the job for you, because Bitcoin is a really hot topic nowadays. And if you upload those videos to youtube.com, you have really good chances to generate a lot of traffic and implicitly earn a lot of money. And the way that you can do that is by simply downloading this app on your computer, which is called OBS Studio, by going over to obsproject.com. I'm also using it right now to record this video. I have used it for quite some time. And you can just create a video that is a few minutes long. It doesn't have to be 10 minutes or 20 minutes. It can just be a 2 or 3 minute long video, and that will do the job for you. You only need to drive traffic to your affiliate link, and that's how you're going to earn money. And Bitcoin is now about $17,000. So if it goes even higher than that, you will make even more money without doing anything out of the ordinary. And quite frankly, it's been at $19,000 a few days ago. And it can go back to that amount before you know it. So this may be the best time to start earning Bitcoin for free without any investment, especially if you're a beginner who doesn't want to invest their money in something that may not be really profitable for them. I understand that there is some risk involved with any investments, so that is why I'm trying to make all these videos beginner friendly and also available worldwide, because I believe that is really important. I'm living in a country where not all websites are available, so that was an issue for me as well when I first started out, and that is why I'm trying to deliver value to you guys. And the main thing here is that you take action, because unless you do so, you're not going to make a single penny. And if this precise method doesn't feel too profitable for you, you have a lot of different options on the channel. You can go ahead and take a look at those and find one that works fine for you. And if you decide to give this website a try, please remember to come back to this video and leave your feedback down below. Tell me whether or not it worked out fine for you, and also tell me how much money you were able to generate and what you did with that. Did you reinvest that money so that you can earn more later, or did you spend that money? Tell me in the comment section below.